Hello students, welcome to Showed Up Sir's classes. So in today's video we will solve a question from mathematical statistics. So the question goes like this: 200 students of FYB B.Sc class in a certain college are divided at random into 20 batches of 10 each for annual practical examination in statistics. Suppose the class consists of 40 resident students and 160 non-resident students, and let R denote the number of resident students in the first batch. Now we have to use a binomial approximation to find the probability that R is greater than equals to 3. So first I'll give you 1 minute to go through this question. So first go through this question for 1 minute. Read it carefully from the beginning, that the number of students that are given this class and divided at random of 2 batches of 10 each. So we have to find this. Go through it over and over again for 1 minute. So I'm expecting you guys have read the question carefully. So now I'll simply solve the question. So the question goes like this: the probability distribution of R is hypergeometric with parameters n equals to 200, n equals to 10, and capital M equals to 40. Now since n equals to 200 is a large, this is why we say the hypergeometric. So the hypergeometric distribution can be approximated by binomial distribution with parameters n equals to 10 and p equals to m by n, which is 40 by 200, which is nothing but equals to 0.2. Now from here we can write that hence P capital R equals to small r equals to 10r 0.2 to the power small r 0.8 to the power 10 minus r equals to 0, 1, dot 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 10. So from here we can find the required probability. So the required probability is given by P, which is probability R greater than equals to 3, which is equals to 1 minus P R equals to 0 plus P R equals to 1 plus P r equals to 2, which is equals to 0.323. So we have found it to be equals to 0.323. So now we'll go to the question again, which goes like this. 20 students of this is given by this, so we have to use the binomial approximation to find the probability that r is greater than equals to 3. So we have done this. So I could not get into the nitty-gritties of this question. I have just solved this question. Okay, so this kind of question are needed for MStat, B.Stat, math, economic statistics kind of questions. So if you have still got any query or suggestion, if you want to know more about this kind of question, how do we solve it, I'll be giving you my number, which is 9836793076. You can simply WhatsApp me on this number, or also you can go to our website, which is showupsearchclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you'll also get to see a lot of other materials which are needed for exams related to mathematical statistics. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead.